Welcome to SAM Official Tech. In this ever-evolving world, robotics is at the forefront of technological advancements, transforming industries across the globe. From manufacturing to healthcare, and even agriculture, robots are enhancing productivity, efficiency, and safety in ways that were once unimaginable. In this video, we'll dive deep into the role of robotics and explore how this cutting-edge technology is reshaping different sectors, making work easier and more efficient. So, let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of robotics. The manufacturing industry has seen one of the largest transformations due to robotics. Robots have automated assembly lines, reducing human error and speeding up production. These machines can operate continuously without breaks, making manufacturing more efficient. Additionally, robots can handle dangerous tasks such as welding, cutting, and heavy lifting, improving worker safety. With innovations like collaborative robots, cobots, which work alongside humans, manufacturing is entering a new era of precision and productivity. Robots in healthcare are not only assisting doctors in surgeries but also transforming patient care. Surgical robots, like the Da Vinci system, allow for minimally invasive procedures with greater precision than human hands could achieve. Robots are also being used in rehabilitation, helping patients regain mobility through physical therapy. Beyond surgery and rehab, AI-powered robotic assistants are helping doctors analyze data to diagnose diseases more accurately. Robotic systems are now essential in operating rooms, and as technology progresses, they will only become more indispensable. Agriculture is being revolutionized by robots that assist with everything from planting to harvesting. These machines can monitor soil health, plant seeds at optimal depths, and harvest crops with remarkable speed and accuracy. Drones and automated tractors are now commonly used to survey large plots of land, providing data that farmers can use to optimize water usage and pesticide application. Robotics in agriculture allows for more efficient farming, reduced labor costs, and higher crop yields. Robotics is drastically transforming the warehousing and logistics industry. With automated storage and retrieval systems, warehouses can now store and move goods faster and more efficiently than ever. Robots can organize inventory, pick and pack products, and even transport items throughout a facility without the need for human intervention. These robots have optimized supply chains, reducing errors and improving delivery times. Amazon's robotic fulfillment centers are a prime example of how robotics can revolutionize the warehousing sector. Retailers are using robots to enhance customer experiences, from inventory management to personalized shopping. Autonomous robots can roam store aisles, scanning shelves to ensure products are stocked and placed correctly. In some stores, robots are helping customers find products and offering personalized recommendations based on preferences. In e-commerce, robots manage order fulfillment and packaging, ensuring that products are delivered to customers quickly and efficiently. This integration of robotics into retail operations is improving both store efficiency and customer satisfaction. Robots are also becoming an integral part of the construction industry. From bricklaying robots to automated cranes, robotics is speeding up construction projects and improving safety. Drones are being used to survey construction sites, providing real-time data and detecting potential hazards. Autonomous vehicles are transporting materials across job sites, reducing the need for human labor. With the help of robotics, construction projects can be completed faster, with higher accuracy, and fewer workplace injuries. Education is another sector where robotics is making a huge impact. Robots are being used as educational tools, teaching students about STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math subjects through hands-on interaction. In some cases, robots act as classroom assistants, helping teachers with administrative tasks, such as grading and attendance tracking. Moreover, educational robots engage students by making learning interactive and fun, fostering creativity and critical thinking. Mining is one of the most dangerous industries, but with the help of robotics, it's becoming safer. Robots are now being used for tasks like drilling, blasting, and transporting minerals from deep within mines. These machines can operate in extreme conditions, reducing the need for humans to work in hazardous environments. Autonomous robots are also being deployed for exploratory missions, mapping underground tunnels and identifying resources without putting human lives at risk. Robotics is enhancing both the safety and efficiency of mining operations. The energy sector is embracing robotics to improve the efficiency of both traditional and renewable energy systems. In oil and gas, robots inspect pipelines and platforms, reducing the need for human intervention in potentially dangerous environments. For renewable energy, robots are used to clean and maintain solar panels and wind turbines, ensuring they operate at peak efficiency. As energy demands increase, robotics will play a crucial role in meeting these needs while minimizing environmental impact. The transportation industry is being transformed by the rise of autonomous vehicles and drones. Self-driving cars, trucks, and buses are becoming a reality, promising to reduce traffic congestion and improve road safety. Drones are being used for delivery services, transporting goods over short distances more efficiently than traditional vehicles. With the integration of robotics, the future of transportation is autonomous, efficient, and sustainable. Robots have been integral to space exploration for decades, and their role is only growing. Robotic rovers like NASA's Perseverance are exploring Mars, gathering data, and conducting experiments that would be impossible for humans to perform. These machines are designed to withstand the harsh conditions of space and provide critical information about other planets. Future space missions will rely heavily on robots to build infrastructure on the Moon and Mars, setting the stage for human colonization. The hospitality industry is adopting robots to enhance guest services and improve operational efficiency. In some hotels, robots greet guests, handle check-ins, and deliver luggage to rooms. Automated cleaning robots keep spaces tidy, reducing the workload for human staff. In restaurants, robots are preparing and serving food, ensuring consistent quality and faster service. This integration of robotics is elevating the customer experience and streamlining hospitality operations. In entertainment, robots are helping bring ideas to life in ways that were previously unimaginable. In the film industry, robots are used for creating special effects, animating characters, and filming complex scenes with precision. Theme parks are also using animatronics and robotics to create immersive experiences for visitors. From robotic performers to interactive AI-driven exhibits, robots are making entertainment more exciting and dynamic. The defense sector is using robotics to enhance national security and military operations. Autonomous drones conduct surveillance, gather intelligence, and carry out precision strikes, reducing the need for human soldiers to be placed in harm's way. Ground robots are used for bomb disposal and reconnaissance missions in dangerous areas. These robots can operate in hostile environments, keeping military personnel safe and improving the effectiveness of defense operations. Robots are increasingly being used as personal assistants to help individuals with daily tasks. From cleaning and cooking to providing companionship for the elderly, robots are making life easier for people in various ways. Robotic vacuum cleaners, lawn mowers, and personal care robots are becoming more common in households, freeing up time and making everyday life more convenient. In disaster relief efforts, robots are providing critical assistance in search and rescue missions. Drones and ground robots can navigate through debris, locate survivors, and deliver essential supplies in areas that are inaccessible to humans. These machines are also being used to assess damage and map disaster zones, helping emergency responders plan their efforts more effectively. Robotics is playing a vital role in saving lives and aiding recovery in the aftermath of natural disasters. As robotics technology continues to evolve, its impact on industries will only grow. Innovations like AI-powered robots, swarm robotics, and soft robotics are pushing the boundaries of what these machines can do. In the future, robots will become even more integrated into our daily lives, performing tasks that we once thought were exclusive to humans. With continuous advancements, robotics will not only transform industries but also change the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Thank you for watching Sam Official Tech. Robotics is no longer a concept of the future, it's happening now, shaping industries and revolutionizing the way we live. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of robotics, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech content. Stay tuned for more videos where we explore how technology is transforming the world. See you in the next one.